Finally, run the iPSTAR uplink access test using IUAT version 1.4 software or more. As soon as the IUAT dialog box pops up, in step 1, put the installer ID, password, job ID obtained from the web cell, authorization code obtained from the web cell. When step 1 is finished, click Next. A pop-up window will show, are you using the 10-meter reference cable? Click Yes. In step 2, put the antenna size from 0.84 meter, 1.2 meter and 1.8 meter respectively. Box size, box serial number, LNB serial number, type of cable, cable manufacturer name, attenuator value. After finishing step 2, click Next. In step 3, put the IP address of the UT. The default logon power of -30 dB is automatically set. After finishing step 3, click Next. Step 4, Antenna Alignment Process. In this step, the program will align the dish antenna towards the satellite to receive the signal. The dialog box will show important parameters like the current received level, which represent the strength of the signal received from the satellite at that instant. The maximum received level, representing the peak strength of the received signal during toll scanning. The toll SNO, giving the ratio of the received signal to noise from the toll carrier. The beam ID, representing the number of toll beams. Frequency ID, representing the frequency of the toll. Align the antenna manually for azimuth to get the maximum received signal and toll SNO. And elevation angle to get the maximum received signal and toll SNO. After step 4 is finished, click Next. Step 5, Toll Scanning. In this step, the UT automatically scans for the strongest toll beam in its vicinity and search for the logon frequency until logon is accepted. Step 6, Transmit Power Calibration. In this step, the UT makes the transmit power calibration by adjusting the transmit gain to receive the desired signal by sending link and audio information. Step 7, Polarization Adjustment. Step 7 has got many sub-steps. 7A, Find the peak signal strength and indicate it with a marker. 7B, Rotate the feed slowly with a marker in the clockwise direction slowly to get the point where the signal strength is exactly 3% less than the maximum. Indicate the point with a marker. 7C, Rotate back the feed slowly to the peak signal strength point and repeat the same procedure to get 3% point on the other side. Mark the point with a marker. (7D) Point out the midpoint between the two 3% points. Indicate this point with a marker and align this point exactly with the interface of the junction block. The whole procedure should be done slowly, as the process may get hanged if there is no signal strength at any instant of time. This method gives the exact polarization angle. After step 7, click Next for step 8. Step 8. Quality Control. In this step, a pop-up box will appear. If the IUAT QC is OK, the dialog box will display UAT successful. It will also display the toll and Starlink pass status. After the IUAT process with reference cable is completed, move the UT setup to a new location to perform the IUAT process with real cable. Run the same IUAT program in this new location. A dialog box pops up showing New Job, Existing Job. Select the existing job with the same job ID. Click Next to go to Step 2. Step 2 is same as the IUAT process with 10 meter reference cable. After Step 2 is finished, click Next. Step 3. Click Next. IUAT will start within 10 seconds. Automatic antenna alignment, toll scanning, transmit power calibration and polarization adjustment will be executed for uplink access test as the previous job. If IUAT is OK, UAT successful with real cable will appear on the dialog box with toll and star snow. After the IUAT process is completed, activate the GUI X-Web Gateway for testing the connection to the gateway. Open the command prompt and send ICMP echo request message to the gateway. If the ICMP echo reply message from the gateway is received, it infers that the UT has successfully pinged to the gateway. The UT is now ready to browse an website by pinging to the destination IP address in the internet through the gateway.